Yeah, what up, home slices? It's your boy Fam. So today I'm going to try and reverse this mold. Right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one layer of fiberglass over this thing, let it dry, pull it off. As you can see by the pinkness, I've already put releasing agent on this thing. So I'm just gonna put a layer of fiberglass on it, and then once it's dry, pull it off and see if with the one layer of fiberglass, because it's a bit soft, hopefully we can just like flip it over. Yeah, so we're gonna see. Right, my fiberglass is there in the corner. Got my roller, got my gloves. Those are the things that you need, right? I got my releasing agent over there. Let me show you. That's releasing agent here from AMT Composites, huh? So if you guys are looking for it, just Google them. You can order from their website. Resin they got, fiberglass they got, some good shit as well. So if you're looking to buy some stuff, just be sure to check out their website, because it was one of the few places that I could actually find the things I'm looking for. They got carbon fiber, everything. So yeah, car's looking wide, but now we want it on this side, and I really want to see both sides widened. So this is what we're going to be doing. So stay tuned. Before I start anything though, it would be wrong not to give a shout out to Urban Ink, my wife's shop. As you can see on the back of my overalls, we got the Community of Stance logo on there. It is, what's a screen printed, so it's like kind of like paint. So if you guys are looking for overalls with particular designs or anything, be sure to check them out. It came out really cool. Okay, cool. So it's been a couple of hours. This thing has now dried off. You can see what the releasing agent, how this is like kind of like that whitishness, which is basically where it hasn't settled to whatever I fiberglass on, right? So basically this thing is not stuck currently. So I'm gonna pull it off and we're gonna test out the theory. So look, right? It is easy to bend, right? My idea was basically trying to push it outside in. Let's see. Exactly how I wanted it, right? But it's not a total loss, right? Because it's simple now. So if I do this, right, so I take off one layer for both the front and the back, right? All I need to do is basically flip it and then just remake the pieces that I need to. So for example, right, I can put a piece of polystyrene in here, shape it exactly how this is here, and then stick it on the car there, right? Then I hot glue that piece of fiberglass onto that polystyrene piece to hold it in place, right? Then here again I can remake this piece here. I know that this whole piece came out here like 3 inches or whatever, right? The whole lip piece here. So again, I just need to take hot glue it on, well, that fender there, and then I should have almost an exact replica. Yeah, I should. Logically, I should. Logically, I should. Right? So what I'm gonna do now is start making these pieces out of polystyrene, right? Start hot gluing there. Then I can see where I'm at. I probably need to do this piece here in the center. I don't remember exactly how much it came out, but I probably need to redo that. And then, yeah, I'm thinking also of taking this one and then doing again like 2 pieces on this side here of fiberglass, and then doing like 3 pieces on the inside of it. Then I won't have like this unevenness inside, and I should get like the perfect outside shape from it, and it would be full fiberglass with very little body filler. I'll just have to start the sanding process again, but because one of my subscribers told me about that guy that made the rondo, and I know that subscriber is going to watch this video, and I just want to say shout out to you for telling me about that. It's going to actually make my life a lot easier. But for now, let's see how far we get. So this is where we're at, right? Basically recreated my shape on the other side using polystyrene. This is just to hold the fiberglass in the right spots, right? Then I marked here with that one is being mounted, and I marked it there in that corner. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it down and not glue it on, and then probably put it on the car. So this is what we did. After I put my polystyrene pieces, I started to put it on with screws, and it kind of worked out, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's like almost there. I need to make some adjustments here and there, but it's not too bad. Like there, that's fine, but there, but a light piece there, just there, needs to be cut. And then here on the rum piece here, the lip piece, whatever, that needs to be cut out. So I'm gonna cut that one out, go on that side there, fiberglass that piece again, and then just come and stick it perfectly over here. Then should be fine. Yeah, that's basically what we did for today. Now I just want to show you guys how this completely changes the way you look at a car. It looks meaner. It just looks much meaner. Like, oh my god, If you look at it from this angle, yeah, it's mean AF. You guys can see it. You guys know what it is, bro. Come on, let me take some nice pictures. So this is all a few hours of work. Imagine I was doing this full time, I could make some amazing content for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe and continue to watch my build, continue to watch Community of Sons grow, continue to watch my car become wide AF, continue to watch me make something straight. But that's it for today, folks. I will see you all on Thursday.